Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a headband wig for you guys, and as you can see I already prepped my hair and I already did my makeup just to speed this thing up. So let's just get right into it. The wig I'm gonna be reviewing today is from this company called Sit Pretty Hair, and they're on Instagram and on Facebook. So the wig came with this really cute lip poured headband, and it also has a matching mask to go with it. It also came with this headband, so I'll be wearing them both today in this video. This is the wig. It's a short curly natural black hair, and I cannot wait to put it on. It has this adjustable strap on it plus 4 clips to secure it nicely to your head, one in the top, 2 in the sides, and 1 in the back of it. The curls are nice and juicy and really tight, so I already know what I need to do once I put it on to get it how I want it. Now I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see what it looks like on my head. So now that I have it on my head securely, I'm going to use this pick comb to pick it out and make it nice and fluffy. So now as you look at my hair, you can see the difference between the side that I did and the side that I didn't do yet. Now I'm going to add some Pantene Hydrating Buttercream to hydrate it a little bit and eliminate some of the frizz that it may have. Now I'm gonna add my first headband and see how I like it. So it's really nice. I actually do like it. I like how wide the headband is, so it covers a lot of the hair if I needed to, especially since the hair is big and curly. That definitely comes in handy. The color is neutral enough to go with a lot of different color clothing, so that's another thing that I really like about this headband. But most of all, I absolutely love the wig. Now I'm gonna go right ahead and try the other headband. This other one is also very beautiful. It's giving me African vibe for some reason, but let me know in the comment which one of them you guys like better and if you would rock this hair. The thing that I like the most about this wig is that it's short, so it looks natural and it's easy to customize. I'll leave all the information for it down below, so definitely go and check it out. This mask that I got with it is also so cute. The fact that it matches my headband is everything. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.